anytime you have complex fractions like this, you need to simplify the numerator and denominator separately first before you do anything else. So in this case, we need to simplify the denominator. We'll leave the numerator alone for a minute. All right, so we're going to start with 6 over x plus 1 is 5 over x. We need a common denominator to add them together. It seems like x and x plus 1, there's some connection there. There actually isn't. They don't share anything. Think about it this way. Pick any number you want for x, right? I'm going to pick 7, all right? If x is 7, then x plus 1 is 8. 7 and 8 share nothing, right? If you think about it, any other number that you would pick for x, add 1 to it, and those two numbers will share nothing. So x and x plus 1 share nothing. So when you find a common denominator between that, it's just multiplying them together. So the common denominator is going to be x times x. That means the first fraction, you need to multiply numerator and denominator by x. So it'll be 6x over x times x plus 1. The second fraction, you need to multiply numerator and denominator by x plus 1. So it'll be 5 times x plus 1 over x times x plus 1. All right, when I add them together, distribute the 5 in, you're going to get 5x plus 5. And then you add them together with the 6x, you're going to get 11x plus 5. All of that over x times x plus 1. All right, so that's the denominator. I'm going to put it back together with the rest of the fraction that was given. And you have 9 over x plus 1 over 11x plus 5 over x times x plus 1. We can actually, and the way we're going to think about this is, instead of it being a fraction and saying like the numerator divided by the denominator, we're going to write it out with a division symbol. So what I mean by that is it'll be 9 over x plus 1 divided by 11x plus 5 over x times x plus 1. The reason why we did that is because now we can just make it multiplication. Keep, change, flip. So it'll be 9 over x plus 1 multiplied. Again, change the division to multiplication. We're going to flip that equation. So it'll be x times x plus 1 all over 11x plus 5. The x plus 1s are going to cancel. And we get 9x over 11x plus 5. All right, so then that would make C your answer. Okay. Let me know if you have other questions.